Okay, here's an example from one of my classes. The whole idea was to create a website for a client, and the client is a friend of mine, graduate from the school, who wanted to create a social gaming club, like a sports league, citywide. And Warrior Gaming League's the idea, and the idea is that the logo I got from him, just a basic idea of what the actual project is. Start off with the mission statement. There's Steve. That's the guy's idea of this is. I'm organizing everything, quick boxes. These are all copy and pasted from documents. I just screwed up. There you go. Boop, boop. It's on the online version of PowerPoint, so it's all chunk and slow. But I got a basic idea of a background, which I think I built, which I stole from another website. Um, but then I described a lot of images that are basically off of esports and gaming, and just threw them in there. A lot of them are what's the word? Royalty free, so they were easy to come by. Each one of these things came off an actual outline, so table of contents, goals for the project. Each one of these things is actually inputs that we were researching and looking at. I copied the page and then I added a different kind of setup on the second one to reuse the same formula, because that way when you go through it, it's all clean and it is consistent. This is probably the fifth iteration of this particular PowerPoint. The background didn't come until later, but once I got it, I stayed with it. But this is like this back here is using a basic image that I'm using in PowerPoint to set the actual opacity up, and then I have the background in here as well. I think the background is actually kind of stuck into the actual background of the slide, which is an easy thing to set up once you kind of dig for it. I have to find it, but basically I can set up a background. I'll look up for it and I can give you guys some input a little later. Anyway, and then we get into the actual website development and what it was supposed to look like with each menu pull down, and then what each menu page will bring. Each button will bring up a certain page, and it's a copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. That way everything's kind of the same spot. And as soon as something had to change, like this one did, I try to find another one so it has a consistency to fall into place. And then I slowly make the changes as I want to kind of give some different ideas. And here I am getting to the personas of the kind of people who would be interested in this gaming website. Again, I built it all in here, and then just copied and pasted and just replaced the photographs and redid text. And then I just had to finish final image of some of the research and things of that nature. But this is kind of what we're after. So let me dig around for a little bit, and I'll post a third or a fourth. I guess this will be fourth video. Yeah, about how to get background images in there and things of that nature to kind of help clean this whole thing up. All right, everything is ready to go and make it awesome. So let's go ahead and see if we can make it awesome. All right, I'll be right back.